Hey everybody, happy Friday. How are you? It is March 14th, and you know what that means. Another edition of Gregor Speaks. GregorBear.com. How are you? Hey, Greg, why are you wearing the sunglasses? It is so bright in my apartment today that I gotta wear shades. Great song topic, huh? So, just came on here real quick. It's been a hell of a week, I have to tell you. It's been... some of you have read my posts, and I appreciate all the solidarity and friendship. It's just been a strange couple of days. I'll leave it at that. If you haven't seen my post yet, it is on Instagram and on my Facebook page. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to everybody that reached out. It's a beautiful day today, and I'm excited because I got shorts on today. Woo! So I get to show off my white legs from this winter. Really hot. It's like 76 degrees out, and tomorrow to be cooler, but I'm milking it for all it's worth. Tomorrow, if you're around, I'm not going to be down there, and I support it, but it's the dyeing of the river in Chicago green. Here's a picture of what they usually do. Starts at 10 a.m. A lot of green beer will be had and debauchery, so I'll leave it at that. But that's what's going on in Chicago. I got other plans. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm not a beer drinker anyway, folks, so maybe I'll put a little green in something else. Going out to the burbs tomorrow. Hopefully it won't get blown away. It's supposed to be very windy tomorrow, so got to hunker down and put a tether on me wherever I go. Be careful if you're out and about in the Midwest and you're in the high wind area. It's going to be kind of a windy day, so lock everything down. Furniture outside, whatever you got. Very excited. 2 weeks from this coming Tuesday, I will be in Palm Springs. So that's April 2nd to the 8th. Looking forward to that. I need a break right now. I so need a break and just to relax, seeing some people I haven't seen in a while, and just chill out. So that's it. That's all I got going today. Hope you're going to have a great Friday. Thanks for checking in with me. Yep, I'll be back on Monday. Make the best of it. Get out and do something nice. Get off the news, watching the news and all the craziness in the world. And let's just all be together in solidarity and rise up, make the world better. That's my message for the day. I'm sticking to it. Subscribe, like, share. I'll talk to you Monday. Thanks, everybody. Bye.